Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well by the grace of God. Welcome old and new subscribers to my channel again here on 𝕃𝕋𝔼 as it's called. Today I'm going to do a mini review on a wig that I bought from Elva. It's a company from China. Okay, like this. And came in this box in a Ziploc bag, and this is how the wig looks like. Yeah, I mean, right now it's not really looking all that cute. Rick James, bitch. Right? Giving me that Rick James horrible look. So apart from this wig, they are also nice to give some little gifts. I got this. I got this comb, like a splitting comb. That's what I call it right for now. A hairband to secure the wig like this so it stays taut and flat in front, and a wig cap which I'm not going to use because it's not my hair texture or color, and a book with all types of different kinds of wigs they have from their company. Okay, about the wig. So about the wig, wig is from the Elva Wigs company from China. It's 12 inches long because I wanted a very natural look. So it's not very long. It's like a little bit of my natural hair length, which is now in a bun. So it's 12 inches long. The density is about 150, which is quite full. I would have gone smaller because, like I said, I just want it to be natural, but after styling it and bleaching, I will see how it looks. It is a medium cap. You couldn't really choose a different cap, and the knots aren't bleached, so it has to be done. And it has some combs, adjustable combs in it. I didn't see any shedding, so it's very well sewn on the cap itself. The hair is also pre-plucked, which I like. So I'm very curious to see how this is going to look when I install and style this hair. That it's going to give me a natural looking hairline, like it's growing out of my scalp, as how my hair here is also thin and not totally full. Will make it look like wiggy. Right now I'm just going to bleach knots, and I will show you guys my complete honest review on these Elva hair. I said Elva company, my Elva hair, on what I think about it. So stay tuned, and don't forget to like or subscribe. Comments are always welcome. God bless. So I proceeded to braid my hair, freshly conditioned, and then I bleached the knots of the wig. I also fitted the wig to see how it would look like. I would style it after cutting the lace. So I decided to measure up the hairband that I got from Ivera Hair as a gift, because I don't believe in gluing down wigs on your own forehead, and how I would sew it to the outer edges. I proceeded to experiment my hair by blending my own hair and the wig baby hairs to make it look all natural, because I do not believe in putting too much harsh glue on your hair. So here is me experimenting with a piece of brush and my local beauty supplier gel, which does not get hard. I went ahead and I put my own skin tone of powder on the lace to blend it with my own skill to make it natural. Even though it wasn't easy, I kept blending so that, I would get that natural look. At the end of the day, I was happy with it. So I was experimenting, so I decided to get my own hair out after gelling it down and blending it with the lace because I thought it would be better matching than putting on the gel. I also added my concealer to part the hair and see how that would work, and I kind of liked it. So, I kept messing around until I got what I liked. Eventually, I did love it, so that's the point. I wanted a water wet look on my hair, so I started spritzing my hair with just simple water, and I also added pink lotion. This is a legendary lotion that really pops the hair, and slowly this hair was changing into a beautiful, sexy, short, curly hair, which I totally loved. So I bleached the knots of the hair, and then I shampooed it and conditioned it and went ahead to process to style it as much as I could, let it look like it's my own hair is this type of curly kind of hair by taking the hair of my edges and adding it to it. I'm not so much of the you know sticking my hair with glue, or having it all flat on it, because I really believe in preserving my own edges. So I would do it as natural as possible. My overall review on this wig, I like it a lot. I really thought, how is this going to be when I style it? But I do like it. I like that it's also this length, makes it look like it's natural, even if I don't. What I also really love about this hair is that it has this wet look that stays quite wet look like for a very, very long time. I simply spritzed some water and added some pink, which most black people know what it is because this cream is like a classic. And I keep staying like this. I just loosed a very little bit and I applied it. And that's why it's looking like this, and I just love it. I love the way it looks. Right? Trying to do a updo. You're going to a dinner or work. Still look sophisticated. This is the wig to go with. So yeah, I'm going to leave all the information about the Elva hair on the description bar here on YouTube. So if you're interested, you can buy it. It was quite, and then you can go on their website if you really want to get this hair. You can purchase it over there. What I was trying to say before um, I'm editing, of course, this video and it just ended. What I wanted to say is that the price of this wig is quite affordable, so that's the nice part. Of course, if you take the shortest one, and this was 12-inch, so it's affordable to buy and still look cute in it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and comment, ask questions if you like, and I hope this video wasn't way too long. God bless you, and yeah, 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 I am feeling this hair. I am feeling this hair. I'm feeling this hair. You can even part it this way if you want. If you want to. So God bless you, and maybe see you on the next video. Hopefully it doesn't take so long before I upload another video again. God bless you. Peace, ladies or guys. Love you.